Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel, Tiger Kitty Co. If you are new here, thank you for coming. If you're returning, hi again. A little bit of a different video today, but still along the same lines of things I normally do. I have used a variety of different B6 inserts so far, and I haven't ordered my next set yet, and I was like, maybe I'll just try a printable, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do a printable. So I thought I would share with you my process. I ordered some from Jesenia, the Planner Sophisticate. Oops, this is falling apart. So I've actually made a whole one and I ordered two different kinds. I ordered this one, which I'll show you, and then I ordered this one. I just had one piece of this marble paper left, so I just thought I thought I would show you how I cut them following Jesenia's tutorial, which I actually watched like months and months ago, so I was prepared for this. But I still was freaking out. So yeah, I managed to make a whole booklet, so I feel pretty confident. So obviously the first thing you need to do is buy your printable from somewhere. Any Plans, Jesenia, whoever has printables. There are many, and then you need to print them somehow. I have a home printer, so I just printed them myself, and I do not have a printer that can do back to back, so I still was able to do this. She sends in, like Jesenia at least sends instructions, and it's very clear for whatever type of printer you have, whether it prints back to back or it does not, and I followed those. And then you need some sort of paper trimmer or scissors and ruler. Paper trimmer is much easier because you can line up multiple things at the same time. If you have a ruler, it's going to take you a little bit longer. But if you had a ruler and like a slice tool, that might be good. I'll show you a slice tool. So obviously there's a typical like box cutter tool where you could line up if you had it on like cardboard or something. Or there's this kind of slice tool. It has a ceramic tip that is super, super small, and you can get these on Amazon. I will link it down below. And I actually use that to trim after I put the whole insert together. My pages weren't quite the same size, so I actually trimmed the top off with that little slice tool. Anyways, so when you print these out, and like I said, I don't have a double-sided printer. I literally just printed one side of this so I could show you because I literally had one piece of paper left. So it comes with little markings on the corner, and then there's like a spot to fold, and then there's other spots on the corner, and then I have a paper trimmer. I have a Fiskars paper trimmer. It is just this standard kind of size orange model, and it has this little fold out arm with a ruler on it, which is really nice. And this is what I used to do my cutting. So in Jesenia's tutorial, she recommends that you start at least on like the first couple sides. You don't start at the very edge, cut from the inside to the inside, otherwise you're going to cut off your guidelines, and that helped so much. So basically mine has like a little groove right here, so I just lined up my where to cut lines, and these are B6, by the way, if I didn't say that. And then I just moved my little cutter in. You can line up this vertical with the vertical here. I will do my best. Being on camera is a little hard. So I'll just line it up there, push it into the paper, and then I'll go over and cut until this lined up with that little line underneath, approximately. And then I will rotate my paper so you can see it's cut, just not all the way through. I'll rotate my paper and then do the same thing. I'm lining up where the cut mark is here and to about here. So I'm still attached. If you line those up really well, this corner will come out, but you're still attached to the paper on the other corners. And then once I got to the third side, I realized I could pretty much just cut straight across. So I've actually cut that end off. You could do another one where you cut in between if you didn't want this part flopping around. but I just left it up there. And then I still have a cut line on this side, so I just used the one and made sure that was coming. This has a little line here, so you can make sure that you're lined up with the marking. It was just a hair shy, so you could either cut again or you know, just fix it later. So then you would do all of your pages like that and then stack them all together. I would highly recommend kind of flipping through to make sure that your pages go in order. Like we have a Saturday, Sunday, and then notes pages. So if you like flip the next one, you'd want to make sure that Monday was on the next part. So you want to flip through all those and then you can just fold them. I folded mine one at a time, slid them together, and then creased them. And I have made this weekly. This is an undated week on 4 pages, I think that's what it was. So I have Monday, and they have like a striped column, 2 columns, and then it goes down to the next one: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then there's room for notes, and then it just starts over again. And then the back of this printable just has extra notes pages. So that is the printable I made, and mine is not stapled together because when you put it in the string for your TN, it won't slide around. If you wanted to staple these, you would need like a long arm stapler because a regular stapler will probably not fit in here. I do not own a long arm stapler, but I'm not too worried about it. We have one at work though, so once I finish this, I will maybe staple it when I'm done with the whole thing. But there you go. That is my little tutorial on at least Jesenia's printables. I would assume that other printable shops would send instructions also. They're, you know, pretty helpful with that. If you have questions, you need to be able to ask them and stuff. You also need Adobe Reader on your computer. It's a free program just so you can open the document. And then I'm going to do some plans. I'm going to catch up on my planning for a couple weeks that I've missed in here. I don't think I'm going to do that all on camera because I wanted to focus on the tutorial part, but I will go do this and then I will flip through them when I am back. So obviously if you have any questions on how to do these tutorials or which particular inserts these are, leave your questions down below. I will link Jesenia's shop as well as a couple others that I can think of for printable inserts, and stay tuned for what my week plans look like in this new insert. And then I'll be using this insert with these longer columns starting in July. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm back. So this is the planner I'm actually working in. This is my Marauders Map B6 planner, and I will link a setup video over here. So I've already put my insert in here because I took the old ones and I moved them to the back so that I still have them, but they're out of the way. So this is the insert I printed, and as you can see, it's not gonna like slide around or anything, even though the pages are not stapled because this cord is in here. So this is the printable that I showed you earlier. Also, I forgot to mention, I did this entire printable, printed it and cut the whole thing, folded it and put it together in the hour that my clothes were drying. So yeah, not too bad. So then I decorated it like I said. So this first kit is from Beloved by Him. I was like, that's not the right name. Beloved by Him. I don't know if she still has it in her shop. And then this box is from Pink Paper Plain. I have a whole bunch of emojis from Coffee Monsters. And then I have these little girls from Velia Tama, because look how cute those are for like my first day of summer break. She's on her desk dancing, and then this one's like on the chair like, woo. I could have maybe put them on this day. No. No, that is the right day. Just kidding. I was thinking it was Thursday. That was like my first full day off, but no, this is the day I turned in my keys. So this is definitely how I felt like at work. And then I have a whole bunch of deco. Most of it is from the Standard Essential. This one is from Pumpkin Paper Co. This is from Moose and Mittens. These are from Hiding Roses. This is from Glam Planner. So I've used a whole bunch of different stickers. And then this is the second half. I have Piper Paper Company, again, Hiding Roses and Glam Planner, Coffee Monsters Co. I have a Glam Planner, Teeny and Friends. This is from Pink Paper Plane Shop also. Deco from the Standard Essential. This is from Pink Paper Plane Standard Essential. The Hydrate is from Wild Summer Designs. So, I think it's Wild Summer. Maybe Wild Sunshine? I think it's Wild Summer. I'll link it down below regardless. Or if you guys have a question, just ask. So yeah, this is how this kit came out. Very, very pretty. And then this is the one for the current week. So I don't have a lot filled out because I don't know what else is happening the rest of this week. So today is Monday, June 4th, and this kit is from Let's Plan It. So I have kind of the foundation from here going forward, but I don't have everything. And then this is the second half of the week. Again, the Hydrate is from Wild Summer Designs. I feel so bad that I don't know now off the top of my head. But that's what it is. And these are leftovers. I used the Let's Plan It kit in another Plan With Me up here. So these are just leftovers, but I kind of strategically did that Plan With Me so that I would have quite a bit left over. And I'm super excited that I have so much because this is really cute. I also had extra full boxes from her shop, like just a sheet of Harry Potter full boxes. So some of those are from there, but I had them, so no big deal. You can see the yellows are like slightly different because of that. This June clear sticker is from a Michael's Mombi sticker book. So yeah, I think it's really cute. I'm going to have to buy some white paper that's as thick as this because I just have like regular computer paper, but I wanted to try out the marble and see if I liked that. I don't really mind it. Like, it doesn't really bother me, especially for Harry Potter. Like, it's kind of smoky and mysterious, and I don't know, you can't see a lot of it anyways, so it hasn't really bothered me. But yeah, I think it's really, really fun. And I believe this is a horizontal setup, but you get vertical columns to work in. And you actually get like more room than the Erin Condren because these boxes are longer than a full box with a header, which is what a normal Erin Condren box is. So you actually get quite a bit of room to work with. And then you don't have the sidebar, but you have all this note space. So I'm actually really enjoying these. And then, like I said, I have a different insert to try starting in July. So I'll use this one for June. And then we'll go into July with the next printable. So if you have any questions, please, please, please let me know down below. If you've got any questions about how to do the printables or what paper this is, I can maybe try to find that or anything like that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you have a great day. And again, don't forget to leave any questions, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.